Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is your friend Vijay. Today I'll be explaining the break and retest strategy. So break and retest strategy is a strategy that is being used by a lot of the professional traders, and this is a great strategy and it should be in your arsenal of trading strategies so that whenever you get a chance to enter into markets, you can enter into the market with this strategy. So break and retest strategy is very simple. Let me explain you. So let's assume that a market is in a uptrend. So market is going up, pulling back, going up, pulling back, going up, pulling back, and going up and pulling back and going up. So this market is in an uptrend. How can we know that? We are making higher highs. Basically this high is higher than this high. Again this high is higher than this high. This high is higher than this high. Again the market is making higher lows. Basically this low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. So basically we can say that the market is in an uptrend. Okay, the market is moving up. So break and retest strategy is a strategy where we are trying to find out area of values in the market like these ones, from which we can take a trade to the long side for uptrend, and if the market is trending down, we will be trying to find out these levels for a downtrend. So if you see we can see that the price went up, came back and broke this high and went up. So whenever the price comes down, these highs will be acting as a level of support and the market will be bouncing off this level. So that is the assumption, and most of the times market in a trending market this happens. Again the price broke these highs and went up, and when the price revisited these levels, the price got really nice support from these levels and the price again went up. The same thing also happened here. So we have three area of value in our chart. First one is this, and another one is this one, and another one is this one. So these are the three area of values from which I'll be interested to take a long trade. So let's move into the real-time charts and try to find out such opportunities. So if you see, this is the chart of TCS, and in TCS we have, let me delete all these things. Okay, in TCS we have such a move. Here price went up, pulled back, broke the highs, again came to the highs, came to the broken highs. So this area will be acting as a level of support, and this is the area of value for us. So what I am doing here is that we found out an area of value in the weekly time frame. So I'll be jumping down to the daily time frame to find out some entries. So if you see the daily time frame, you could see that the price actually came and tested these levels. So from these levels, what happened is that the price have moved up. So if you are a trader who is looking at the candlestick pattern, we have a nice little harami pattern here. So harami is a pattern where we for bullish harami we have a nice strong candle to the downside. So this candle depicts full of selling pressure, and the next day what happened was that the candle the price gapped up. We got a gap up opening and the price was not able to go up or down. Okay, the price kind of closed where it opened. That means yesterday there was a lot of sellers there, but today the sellers have disappeared, and or we could say that buyers have come in, and there was a fight between the sellers and buyers and nobody won. That's why we got a doji candle here. So then we will wait for the next day for further confirmation of buying. So the next day what happened was that again we got a gap up. More than that, we got a green candle close above the highs of the doji candle. So that clearly means that there are buyers who are interested to buy the market. So that will be an entry for me. That will be an entry for me, candlestick pattern, which is an entry for me, and I'll be putting my stop loss here, and I'll be riding the trend till a rest reward of 2. So that is a simple technique, or that is a simple entry that can be used for entering the markets. Or you could put a short-term trend line like this, but this trend line is kind of wide for me. If it's come kind of like this, then I will consider trend line. Otherwise, this is more than enough. This candlestick pattern is more than enough. So that is one entry technique, and let me see whether we can get some entries where we can put a short-term trend line against a trend, and on the break of that trend line we can enter. So let me see if we could get some trades like that. And logistics now. Okay, this is a sideways market. Maruti is nothing. Okay, in Ratnamani we have such scenario that is developing actually. So if you see here, the price went up, again came down, went up. Now the price is in the zone, okay, or in the area of value that we have defined, which is the high or the latest swing high, which got broken. I would say the latest swing high which got broken, and this level, or the area around that swing high will be acting as a level of support. So when the price came down, we could see that the price is reacting to these levels. So let's go down to the daily time frame and see what's happening there. So in the daily time frame, we could clearly see that there is a rejection from these levels. So what I will do is that I will put this trend line here. We have a short-term trend line that is already this is a trend line that is already drawn by me, and I will be inclined to take, or I will be more inclined to take a trade as soon as we get a break of this trend line with a strong candle, and I'll be putting my stop loss just below these levels, and my target will be a reward of 2. So this is the break and retest strategy that I use, and I hope you guys like the strategy. And if you guys like the strategy, please do like and subscribe my channel, as well as share it with your friends. And please do try to go to each and every one of the charts in your watches and find out such opportunities where the price literally broke the highs of the highs, and again when the price came back, the price got rejection off of this area of value that we have defined here and went up. So there are a lot of there will be a lot of cases such these happened in the market. Especially we had a bull run from after this corona, like I'll say that from 2020 January 2020 till kind of Feb and March, we have a really good bull run, and you could have seen a lot of stocks exhibiting these kind of patterns. So hope you guys like this video, and thank you guys. Have a nice day.